It's still going. Listen to this rumble. I'm so sick of motorcycles ruining it. I've never heard any noise like that this long. Oh, I'm hearing a tone.